Fernando, and today I'm going to be doing a sort of a restoration video on this funrise 1994 Chevy Caprice. And for those of you that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, y'all saw yesterday the community post I did on the Chevy Caprice. But for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, what I mean by community post, the link is in the description, so check it out. So yeah, anyways, I got this at Goodwill yesterday, and whenever I got it though, saw one of the two light bulbs are out though, so yeah. Anyways, otherwise electronically it works, but just the light bulbs are out though, so yeah, I'll show you. Yeah. Anyways, enough me talking, so I got nothing, since I got nothing else to say, so yeah, here we go. Anyways, that took a while. Took several screwdrivers, but here's the Caprice. So as you can see, got the speaker and everything. Here's the circuit board. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna take the screws off the light bars so we can so I can get the lights on those replaced. So yeah, here we go. Here it is, the lights. So now we're gonna get those replaced. Well, it's fixed. I replaced the lights in it, and yeah. Let me just find the original light bulbs, or let me see. It doesn't matter, but anyways, I got those out though, so yeah, if I can find the second light bulb, but at the moment it doesn't really matter, but otherwise it's working, so here they are, the results. So for now I'm just gonna put this thing back together, so yeah, here we go. Well, the lights are back on, so yeah. For now, I'm just gonna put the circuit board back on and then put everything else back together. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. So yeah, here we go. Whoop, here it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this restoration, and thank you for watching, and bye. If you want to check out more of my content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to get the latest updated content and stuff from my YouTube channel. So, see you there.